I pulled over down the street to put my makeup on so I look not so raggedy. So, I'm running late this morning to stage a client's house. So here I am. I pulled over down the street to put my makeup on so I look not so raggedy. And not too bad. Not too shabby. Taking photos is such a long process. Over the past couple of days, I've just been purchasing things to stage this place so we take photos. After almost 2 years of working on the project, hopefully we're about done. But you're gonna get behind the scenes of what that takes. At my client's house, and today we are shooting. I'm so excited. I'll take you a little BTS to see how photo shoots really run behind the scenes. About should I straighten it out or tuck it? You could tuck it. Tuck it? Just made it home. There was so much traffic. LA traffic sucks. I was in traffic for almost 3 hours and I'm exhausted and my back hurts from being in the car so long. Coming up off this injury is like, I just can't hang too long, guys. So I am gonna start stretching to relieve some pressure from my lower back, and I'm gonna settle in for the night to watch some basketball with the hubby and turn in early probably. I'm so tired, but it was a successful shoot day, and so that's all that really matters. I'll see you later. For all the updates on this YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and tap the notification button so that you're alerted when I have new content. Thanks for watching. Bye.